Hi, hello everyone. Welcome again to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to use Kanban as an acronym to understand the six key principles of Kanban process. So it's going to be a very short video, not to understand Kanban as a method or a process, but just to go through the six principles we have in Kanban and how we can remember those using Kanban itself as an acronym. So let us start. So if we talk about the six key principles or the six steps in implementing Kanban for a particular project, so these are the six steps. So very first one is visualize the workflow. So what exactly the kind of work we are doing? Can we come up with different states? Can we come up with the, let's say, the explicit columns, or if we are using any tool, can we create a board? So the idea is we visualize our workflow, right? And the second aspect is limiting the work in progress. So that means, we do not want, like, there are a lot of open or incomplete items in a particular state, because that will create the bottleneck. So the idea is we try to limit the work in progress. And the third aspect is managing the flow. So that means, once we have identified the initial workflow, looking at it continuously from a review perspective, how it is working, what are the different steps, how the different work items are flowing in our workflow. So that means, managing it continuously, and then making our process explicit. That's the fourth one. So that means, whatever rules we have, any constraints, any policies, we have to make our process explicit so that anyone who is part of the workflow, they are able to understand it. The fifth one is implementing the feedback loops. That means, at regular intervals, we are looking back, we are reviewing, we are doing a retrospective, we are reflecting on how things are working for us. And the last one is improving collaboratively and evolve experimentally. So we are working in a collaborate manner, we are seeking feedback from each and everyone, and as a team we are reflecting on how things are working, and we are open for any experimentation, trying new things, making some changes in the workflow to make it better, make it optimize. So these are the six steps which guides the Kanban process implementation. Now let's go to another slide. And if we have to remember the six steps that we have already discussed, which are the six principles of Kanban, I just thought, like, can we use Kanban as an acronym, right? So if we use Kanban as an acronym, so the K stands for no process steps for your complete work using visualization. A for analyze or check WIP limits, so that we complete work in hand first, or we complete the open or incomplete items first before starting any new work item. N stands for note to manage or improve your workflow. B for build or make your policies explicit, so that process rules are made explicit to everyone in the team or everyone involved who is using the workflow. A stands for apply feedback loops for regular feedback and reviews. And N is for non-stop or continuous improvements. So this is how we can use Kanban word itself as an acronym to kind of like depict six key Kanban principles. And that's all we had in today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you're new to my channel, please share and subscribe. That will definitely motivate with me to share more learning videos on this channel. Thank you once again.